United States military bases and assets have been in Wales for generations now. From air bases to deep space and satellite observation installations, our nation has been co-opted into involvement in American war crimes. Here's the rub, it doesn't stop there. Even our landscape has been turned into an American testing ground to improve their pilots' abilities to fly low and fast in mountainous, hilly terrain. Sounds like an important lesson to teach your pilots if they're about to engage in military strikes against a nation whose geography is almost entirely mountains or hills, like, for example, Iran. But the American government hasn't been able to do this on their own. The British government, be it a Labour or Conservative one, has enabled, encouraged and invested in the weaponisation of our nation and of our very landscape. That's why, if I'm elected to the Senedd on the 7th of May, I will work to close the existing foreign military bases in Wales and to halt the enabling actions of the British government in allowing for the continued training, experimentation and construction of military assets in Wales. The Americans aren't the only ones using Wales as a testing ground though. There are several installations dedicated to drone research in Wales, like Aberporth in Cardigan Bay. That research goes to the Israeli military, who regularly use drones to bomb homes, assassinate democratic figures, obliterate villages and commit genocide. This is crucial information to keep aware of at the moment as comrades, friends, parents, sons and daughters, people, set sail to Gaza on the Global Sumud Flotilla. Last time the boat sailed to Gaza, Israeli drones tracked, shot at and bombed them the entire way. I have friends who were on the boats last time. They are certain that this journey will be hit in the same way. If that happens, then remember, the British state, armed forces personnel and arms companies are complicit. The only way we can stop this from happening is by showing our government that we will not tolerate it. You can do this by voting against the establishment and for a party that has been committed to peace and socialism since its inception. On May the 7th, in the Bangor Coombe constituency, vote for me, Jaime Fitter, and for the Communist Party of Britain. Thank you, diolch.